This is just a creative idea based on personal preference. We would greatly appreciate your support for the channel by please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you. If you love unique and creative ideas, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Hit like to support real creativity, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Your support means more than you know. Now, let's explore a truly different idea. Every creation starts with a small idea. No big factory or production line needed. Just passion and persistence. This product was created by an independent individual. He didn't copy anyone. He chose his own creative path. From materials that seemed worthless, a completely new design took shape. This is a true two-in-one idea, both unique and practical. Every detail was carefully considered. Nothing here is accidental. Every weld shows total focus. Every part carries a personal signature. The process was never easy. Mistakes were unavoidable, but giving up was never an option. Each failure became a new lesson, and every retry moved things forward. Creativity always takes time, and it takes patience. Results don't come in a single day, but they are always worth the effort. This product wasn't made to make noise. It was made to solve real problems. And to show a different way of thinking, this is more than just a vehicle. It's the result of imagination, proof of the power of one person. One person can still build something great. All it takes is strong belief and the willingness to learn every day. This is the true spirit of creativity. Simple, resilient, and different. Creativity doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs you to start. Because a small idea today can create something great tomorrow. This is just a creative idea based on personal preference. We would greatly appreciate your support for the channel by please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you.